This video is about how to format a new hard drive that can be used on a Mac and Windows machine. Hit on a finder. In my case, I'm using Seagate. If you're using Toshiba or Western Digital, that name will show here. Do right click, drop down will appear, select Get Info. When you hit on a Get Info, new window will appear. If you see the format right now, it is showing NTS. And if we want to use on a Windows or and Mac together, we need the format as a exFAT. Close everything. Now hit on a search box located on the right side and type disk utility. After that, hit enter. Now new pop-up window appear, and if you see it's showing Seagate expansion. Click on Seagate expansion. Erase option is enabled now. Click on a erase button. New pop-up window will appear. If you want to rename drive, you can enter a new name. In my case, it was Seagate expansion. I just want to keep Seagate. And from drop down, I will select exFAT. Click on a erase button. It will erase the drive within few seconds. exFAT format will help me to use this drive on both machines for Mac and Windows. And if I want to transfer any file over 4 GB, that is also covered. Now it's giving an option to select this drive as a backup. If you wanna use as a backup, you can select that option or don't use if you think that that's not necessary. In my case, I want to decide later, so I will hit on a decide later. Now select the drive again, do the right click, drop down will appear, hit on get info button, a new window will appear, format has been changed to the exFAT. If you like the video, do not forget to give the thumbs up. Until the next video, goodbye.